Hey guys, it's Simone here. I am coming to you recording in my bathroom because I didn't really do the voiceover very well. So I'm going to do this hummingbird look, and this is what it looks like. I got it off of an Instagram called Do It Yourself. You guys should go check them out. At the end of my video I will post a link to where they are, and this is how we do it. So I'm going to use these colors and the teals and the yellows. And right here, we're going to use this dark navy blue for your first color. You're going to take a straight edge or any type of eye shield or anything that you can get your hands on, tape, all that to cover the side. And as you can see, I made a wing and a circle over to create a nice little winged look. Now I'm cleaning it up with my concealer brush and making sure that it is a straight edge and a cleaned surface. What we're going for is straight on the side and curved on the inner part. And now I'm taking my brush with the navy blue color again and cleaning up and making that wing a little bit stronger and more defined. And now we're going to take our teal color and we are going to tap and place, just pat it in the center of our eyelids. Make sure you do big, huge taps like I am doing here because it gets it more everywhere, and this color is really pigmented and you really want this color to show up more, so that's what helps to make it show up a lot better. Now we are going to take a matte white and brush it in our inner corners into our tear ducts. You're going to make sure you blend it forward into your teal color and then bring it down into your waterline a little bit. You don't want to do too much. Now we're going to take our lime green color, and for this I am using an angled brush, and I'm going to sweep it against the dark navy blue and to where it ends, towards the teal. Make sure you're sweeping it against it closely, almost blending, because later we will blend this two colors together and it comes out very nice. Also, make sure this one is a little bit shimmery. For this one, I'm using a matte yellow for the next color. And with the same angled brush, I am sweeping it towards the white in the inner corners, making it match the green, the lime green. Just cleaning it up. Okay, now we're going to take a blending brush and you're going to blend out the colors together to make sure it is all smooth and pretty looking. Now we're going to take the same blending brush in a matte white and we're going to splash that into our brow bone. I like to use that because, you know, if I added too much I can blend it away. Now we're going to take our eyeliner. This is by Sephora, and I'm going to line very close, almost tight lining with my liquid eyeliner to my eyelash line. And make sure you are not winging it, just to your end of your eye and the back. Now I'm using the mascara by my Maybelline called Lots of Lashes, and you're going to generously coat your lashes, the top and bottom. With my angled eyebrow brush, I'm going to take it into this deep brown color right here, and I'm going to sweep it into my brows lightly. If you do a little bit too dark, that's okay, because I am also going to show you how you can fix it up in about a minute. Technically, it's not a minute. Kind of, I don't know. I sound weird right now. Okay, so you're going to take your spoolie and you're going to brush out those harsh lines that you just drew in with either your eyebrow pencil or eyebrow brush like I just did. Now I'm going to take my same angled eyebrow brush and I'm going to make a line on the side of my face and contour that side cheek. I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to blend it out, and taking a deep red color, I'm going to brush that on top of that, creating a better, more defined look into my face. And for blush, I'm going to use this nice light rosy pink on the apples of my cheek. And then I'm going to highlight with the same brush in my high points. This is a finished look, guys. Cool. I hope you guys like it. It's called the hummingbird look. Also follow Do It Yourself on Instagram. I will write down right now, right here, right there. I will tell you who they are, because they have a lot of cool stuff, and even though they do not own any of it, the stuff they post, most of the links, sometimes it's theirs and sometimes it's not theirs. They are still a really, really cool Instagram, and they have a lot of pictures, and it shows you, I mean, just from the pictures, you are like, whoa! Oh my gosh, I need to learn how to do that. It's so cool. So that's what I did, and you know, I did the hummingbird look, and I'm gonna wear this all day and see if I get any comments, and yeah, I will come back to you guys. So see you later. Bye.